Could the medications you rely on be harming your brain? Research shows that some common drugs may increase dementia risk by impairing memory and cognitive function. We'll reveal which medications pose these risks and how to protect your brain health. Plus, stay tuned for natural alternatives to manage conditions without harming your cognition. How medications increase dementia risk. Some drugs block acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory. This interference can gradually impair brain function. Let's take a closer look. 1. Proton pump inhibitors, PPIs. PPIs like omeprazole, often used for acid reflux, are linked to a higher dementia risk. Studies show that prolonged use over 3 years may result in memory loss. For instance, a study involving over 6,000 participants found that 10% of long-term PPI users experienced memory decline. 2. Anticholinergics. These drugs, used to treat conditions like bladder issues and Parkinson's disease, block acetylcholine. Unfortunately, long-term use can significantly increase dementia risk. A University of Washington study tracking 3,500 adults over 10 years found a 54% higher dementia risk in regular anticholinergic users. Common examples include diphenhydramine, found in Benadryl, and oxybutynin, used for bladder control. 3. Corticosteroids. Corticosteroids like prednisone, commonly prescribed for inflammation and allergies, can cause structural brain changes. Prolonged use may elevate cortisol, stress hormone levels, damaging the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. A large UK study linked long-term corticosteroid use to a higher dementia risk. 4. Benzodiazepines, drugs like Xanax and Valium, prescribed for anxiety and insomnia, can double Alzheimer's disease risk when used long-term. Around 40% of chronic benzodiazepine users report neurological issues, including memory loss and concentration difficulties. 5. First-generation antihistamines. Common allergy medications like diphenhydramine block acetylcholine and are linked to cognitive decline. Research reviewing 13 studies found a strong association between long-term use and memory problems. 6. Tricyclic antidepressants. Older antidepressants like amitriptyline are effective but have strong anticholinergic effects. Regular use accelerates cognitive decline, particularly in older adults. 7. Statins. Widely used to lower cholesterol, statins like atorvastatin may interfere with brain cholesterol production, essential for memory and cognitive function. Some studies link prolonged statin use to memory problems. Natural alternatives to protect your brain. Here's the bonus we promised: natural approaches to manage common health conditions without risking your cognitive health. 1. For insomnia, try melatonin, a natural sleep regulator, or calming teas like chamomile. 2. For anxiety, valerian root or relaxation techniques like mindfulness meditation. 3. For acid reflux, ginger or apple cider vinegar can provide relief. 4. For stress, deep breathing exercises and yoga are excellent non-drug options. While these medications may be necessary for managing certain health issues, understanding their risks empowers you to make informed decisions. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your treatment plan, and consider exploring safer alternatives where possible. Your brain health is worth protecting. Take the first step today.